According to National Electrical Code Section 310.16, the cable size for 75-foot long, 60-amp feeder circuit using aluminum service entrance cable rated for 90 degrees Celsius is number 4 American wire gauge. To calculate the voltage drop for the circuit, you need to consider several factors. Firstly, the conductor resistance. The resistance of number 4 American wire gauge aluminum cable is 0.45 ohms per 1,000 feet. Secondly, the circuit length, which is 75 feet one way or 150 feet round trip. Thirdly, the load current, which is 60 amps. Fourthly, the voltage drop percentage, which is 3% as per National Electrical Code Section 310.15b16. The voltage drop is calculated as follows: voltage drop equals conductor resistance times circuit length times load current. This is then multiplied by the voltage drop percentage divided by 100. Substituting the known values gives us voltage drop equals 0.45 ohms divided by 1000 feet times 150 feet times 60 amps. This is then multiplied by 3% divided by 100, which is a voltage drop of 0.3 volts. Since the calculated voltage drop of 0.3 volts is less than the allowable 3% voltage drop, which in this case is 1.8 volts, the number 4 American wire gauge aluminum service entrance cable meets the National Electrical Code requirements for the circuit. You can use the 75 degrees Celsius column in National Electrical Code Table 310.16 for this calculation because the ambient temperature is not specified and is assumed to be suitable for the 75 degrees Celsius column. However, it is always recommended to verify the actual voltage drop by measuring it at the load end of the circuit once it is installed.